Which one is better, the ukulele or the guitar? The ukulele is a small instrument. It's a great sounding instrument. It's a happy sounding instrument. People get happy when they hear the ukulele. It's a great instrument to get started on, whether you're kids, people of all ages, soprano size concert or tenor. 4 strings make it real easy to kind of jump in and start playing some simple chords, getting some strumming right away. But do not let that fool you, because the ukulele can still do all the styles that you love, from pop, the rock, the jazz, the finger picking, everything you can do right here on this tiny instrument, the ukulele. And the guitar, has a huge sound to it. It's got a great range. You got the 6 strings. You got the longer scale lengths than the ukulele. So many of the classic licks and songs that we love have been written on the guitar. It's just one of the fan favorites. Acoustic guitar, electric guitar, whatever you want is there. All kinds of different woods included as well. So which one is better, the ukulele or the guitar?